If you're over 60 and trying to eat healthy, chances are, eggs are already on your plate. They're affordable, high in protein, and packed with nutrients. But here's the problem. The way you're eating eggs might be doing more harm than good. That's right, when prepared the wrong way, eggs can quietly damage your heart, muscles, and metabolism. And most seniors have no idea. So in this video, let's break down the 5 biggest mistakes older adults make with eggs, and how to fix them. Let's start with the most common one. Mistake 1. Eating eggs with bacon or sausage. It might seem like a classic breakfast combo, but for seniors, this is a dangerous duo. Why? Because processed meats like bacon and sausage are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and saturated fat. Pairing that with eggs turns a healthy meal into a plate full of inflammation and artery damage. That can lead to higher blood pressure, poor circulation, and more strain on your heart. Instead, swap the bacon for avocado, sautéed spinach, mushrooms, or beans. These heart-friendly sides don't just taste great, they help balance your plate and support your muscles too. Mistake 2. Frying eggs in butter or margarine. Sure, butter adds flavor, but it's packed with saturated fat, which can raise bad cholesterol and damage your blood vessels. Margarine? That's even worse. Many brands contain trans fats, which are harmful to both heart and brain health. So what's the smart choice? Use extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These oils contain healthy fats that support your nervous system, reduce inflammation, and actually protect your arteries, which is crucial as we age. Mistake 3. Throwing out the yolk. If you're skipping the yolk to avoid cholesterol, you might be missing out on the most nutrient-rich part of the egg. That golden yolk contains vitamin D, B12, choline, selenium, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, all of which are vital for muscle repair, brain function, and eye health. And here's the thing. New research shows that for most people, the cholesterol in eggs doesn't significantly affect heart health. So unless your doctor tells you otherwise, eat the whole egg. It's nature's perfect multivitamin. Mistake 4. Eating eggs raw or undercooked. Some people still believe raw eggs are healthier. But after 60, that's a serious risk. Raw or runny eggs can carry salmonella, a bacteria that causes food poisoning. And for older adults with weaker immune systems, it can lead to severe dehydration, weakness, and even hospitalization. So always cook your eggs until both the whites and yolks are firm. Whether they're boiled, scrambled, or poached, fully cooked is always safer. Mistake 5. Eating eggs without fiber or veggies. Eggs are great for protein, but they contain zero fiber, and if you're pairing them with white bread or eating them alone, you're missing out on digestion support and blood sugar control. Instead, pair your eggs with fiber-rich sides, like spinach, broccoli, bell peppers, or even a slice of whole grain toast. This not only helps your gut but also keeps your blood sugar steady and gives you longer-lasting energy throughout the day. So let's recap. Eggs can be one of the best foods for seniors, but only if you avoid these 5 mistakes. *. Ditch the processed meats. Cook with heart-healthy oils. Keep the yolk, that's where the power is. Always cook them thoroughly. And pair them with fiber-rich veggies or grains. With just a few smart tweaks, eggs can go from risky to remarkably powerful, fueling your muscles, protecting your heart, and helping you feel stronger every day. So the next time you crack an egg, do it the right way. Your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who eats eggs every day. We've got more senior-focused health tips coming, and trust me, you won't want to miss them.